Hey guys, Timothy here, and today we are going to be Pokemon TCG Pirates because we're going to be opening the treasure chest of the Pokemon TCG, a Pokemon Ultra Prism treasure chest. Give me the goods. This is Abby, she's going to be helping us.
Hi!
Yeah. Alright. So this apparently is packed with Pokemon treasures. So it says that it's got 3 new foil cards, and then it's got booster packs and much more. So I have no idea what's going to be inside. So let's get unboxing. So we got that seal of approval off. Now we've got the lunchbox and we've got this thing. So let's just look at this real quick. So we've got the nice Necrozma forms, Duskmane and Dawn Wings. Got Dawn Wings, Necrozma, Duskmane, Necrozma, and then nice Lycanroc thing. We got midday, midnight, and then dusk. So let's open this.
I will be helping him open some of the stuff.
Alright, so let's open it up like this. We've got the promos right here, which we'll get a HD look at. So you've got an Ultra Prism, another Ultra Prism, a Sun and Moon, an Evolutions, and a Breakthrough. Oh my. Guys, we've got Pokemon pencils. So on this one, there's the Dusk and Dawn, and then it's got the Lycanrocs on this one.
Oh
no! The camera! Alright, we've also got, it looks like some notepads. Oh, these are stickers. It's got 2 sticker sheets, if you can see that. Then here is a notepad of Pokemon paper. You want to send notes. Then you got a little binder for all of your things. Thank you. Alright, and then after that, just got this plastic stuff. So if you look inside, let's pure gold. Alright, so I'm definitely going to be using this for on my daily basis. Okay, so first off the binder, let's grab the scissors. Oh,
scissors.
Oh, wait. Before the binder and stuff, I promised that I will deliver all of these nice promo cards. Let's get these out. The coin. Alright, so first off, they're kind of bent actually. We've got a Duskmane Necrozma. It's an Ultra Beast. We've got the Dawn Wings Necrozma. Oh, and these are also hollow. And we've got the Dusk form Lycanroc. Alright. So Abby, throughout this whole unboxing, camera woman, Abby, she will be putting all of our good cards inside this nifty binder with all this stuff. So if you can put these cards inside this binder, please. Then the notepad and stuff. I'll definitely be using those notepads. We got the coin too. Very shiny. And then now, we've got the boosters. Breakthrough, Evolutions, Sun and Moon, and 2 Ultra Prisms. So let's open them this, and then we'll do something special with these ones. Alright. Let me make sure the camera's recording. Alright. We've got a XY breakthrough card pack. Oof. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is 3 from the back. Here's the code. But yeah, okay. Dene, reserve ticket, Kukula, Pikachu, Inkay, Chespin, Doduo, Fennekin, reverse special energy. Come on, give us the goods. And to finish it off, we've got a regular rare Florges. Next up, we've got an evolutions. Come on, base set Charizard. That was hard to open. Alright, we got the backwards QR code. Only take one, please. Let everyone have a chance to be special and get a code. Also, say the ones that you get. It's got a potion, Magmar, Venusaur Spirit Link, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Charmander, Diglett, Reverse Switch. Come on. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Mega Blastoise EX Full Art. Whoa! And it's all textured. Whoa! Whoa! That's so cool. Whoa!
Inside the book.
Yes, Abby.
Front cover.
Abby, put it in the book. No, not front cover. Just put it in the book. Holy crap! Alright, next up, Sun and Moon. I'm pretty sure that this can contain rainbow rares. So far, this has been one of the best openings I've ever done because I've like never gotten something as good as that. All of these are code. A nice code right there. 3, 4 because it's Sun and Moon. Alright.
Energy.
So if you guys have been enjoying this, which I definitely have, it fell everywhere. If you guys have been enjoying this unboxing, make sure you leave a like because yeah, I really like doing this. If you guys enjoy me doing this, okay, Alolan Eradicate and regular rare Purina. Alright. Alright, we got the 2 Ultra Prism packs, but to enchant them, we must rub them with the Spoon of Wisdom. So let's do Giratina first. Milkshake maker. Nicely shaken up. Shake it! Roller coaster. Whoa! Alright, let's open this.
Weird.
Don't judge me. Watch as we get the Rainbow Rare Charizard in this package.
Aww.
Aww.
It's a cat.
Backwards QR code. 4 because it's Sun and Moon. Alright. Spoon of Wisdom, bring us the goods. Sneasel, Diglett, Yungoos, Reverse Lucario, and then regular rare Empoleon.
At least we got a good card.
Good card.
The sparkly
The reverse one. Alright, Spoon of Wisdom. Both sides. Boop, 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 boop. Adabra, Kadabra, Tyrannosaurs, and shiny mag mortars. Boop a doop a doop on the back. Boop in the back. Let's do the watermelon seeds. Take a bite. And then roller coaster. Wow! Space cat. Yeah, rub it on Space Cat too. Alright. Our last booster of this treasure chest.
I'll cross my fingers.
You know what? We got a base set Sun and Moon pack. It's gonna be like worth a lot later on. Backwards QR code. Remember, only take one. Alright. Alright, this is gonna be good. I feel it. I can feel it. Fairy Energy, Missing Clover, Floatzel, Perugly, Banary, Pamijin, Chimchar, Lickitung, just being like, oh yeah, grab the lollipops, Scorpii, loving a cactus, Empoleon Reverse, and then regular, rare, Electivire. Well, that was pretty eventful. I mean, most of the packs only contained regular rares. I mean, like, whoa. But this is almost enough to build a deck out of. Like, this box contains a lot of really quality stuff. So inside this, like I would recommend this. Like, 10 out of 10. Everyone should buy this. Like, wow. Like, if you don't buy this, I don't know what to do with you. Okay, so we've got the Lycanroc, Hollow. Got the Duskmane Necrozma, Dawnwings Necrozma, and then the Full Art Blastoise EX. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. And before we leave, I'll draw something on here.
Ignore the noise.
There we go. Nice and sharp. And then I'm going to draw something. You guess it in the comment section below. Alright. You've put in your guesses. Subscribe to AbbyPlay17 or Abby Domain, depending if she changes it. Yeah. Like that was really legit. Like, I really enjoyed that. Like, you can have that. You can have that. And that even deserves to be stuck on the Frig Sticks box.
Sorry, other sticker.
See, like, look at that. That's awesome. Alright, so if you did enjoy, please remember to subscribe to both of our channels.
I will be posting a video.
Yeah, she's posting a slime video. Abby is, wow. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Sayonara.
Bye.